वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
मंगला काली भद्र काली कपालिनी दुर्गा क्षमा शिवा धात्री नारायणी नमोस्तुते। जय माँ काली। दोस्तों, मैं आपकी आचार्य सुरभि अरोड़ा आपके लिए हनुमंता ज्योतिष की ओर से नवरात्रि बाजार ऑर्गेनाइज कर रही हूँ, जहाँ पर आप घर बैठे अच्छी से अच्छी चीज़ों का अच्छे से अच्छे दाम में लाभ उठा सकते हैं। आपको करना क्या होगा? आपको सिर्फ हनुमंता ज्योतिष ऑनलाइन बाज़ार के पेज को लाइक करना है, ग्रुप को ज्वाइन करना है, हमारे वेंडर्स की प्रोवाइड की हुई चीज़ों को चेक करना है और जो चीज़ आपको पसंद है उसका ऑर्डर दे देना है और घर बैठे आपको चीज़ों का लाभ उठाना है। इस नवरात्र को साथ में मनाएंगे। मैं और प्लूटो तो कल शॉपिंग करेंगे, आप भी कल शॉपिंग कीजिएगा हनुमंता ज्योतिष बाज़ार से। और दोस्तों, जितना प्यार मुझे आपने दिया है ना, उतना प्यार आप प्लीज़ हनुमंता ज्योतिष बाज़ार को भी दीजिएगा, क्योंकि आप लोग मेरी फैमिली हो और जब मैं अपनी शॉपिंग हनुमंता ज्योतिष बाज़ार से करूँगी तो आपकी नहीं करवाऊँगी क्या? हम साथ मिलके करेंगे। बाय बाय।
हेलो एवरीवन, मैं श्वेता गुप्ता फ्रॉम मनोहरा सोप्स। मैं और सुरभि आपका स्वागत करते हैं। कल से हमारा नवरात्रा बाजार स्टार्ट होने वाला है, जो है हनुमंता ज्योतिष की ओर से। आप सब आइए और शॉपिंग का मज़ा लीजिए। थैंक यू
to everyone. I am Neeti Jangale. My venture name is Crafty to Party, and I have collaborated with the Hanmanta Jyotish as a graphic designer. And I invite you all to Navratri Bazaar, which is from 17 October to 25th October. A very good platform where we can unfold new opportunities and avail exciting offers. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Pramil Trehan. I'm running a small school that is a pre-school. Its name is Sacred Heart Montessori and Creche. We have a day boarding and the children here, they get education from playway, pre-nursery, nursery, KG. And along with that, I am a counselor. I do child counseling, parent counseling, and family counseling. Along with that, de-addiction also. I am teaching English.
Hi friends, I'm Arunima Jain and my brand is Funk by Arunima. I'm a wholesaler of complete bed linen, bathroom and kitchen accessories. I cater to all your needs of personalized gifting and specialize in kids gifting items. You all must be missing the exhibitions which happen every festive season. So here we bring one platform for you which caters to all your festive needs. Hanumanta Jyotish Navratra Bazaar 2020. Very exciting offers and amazing products by all the participants. So just don't miss it. Thank you.
Hello friends, I'm Poonam Khanna. My brand name is Shri Mahamaya Jewelers. We deal into all type of jewelry, gold, silver and diamond jewelry, precious, semi-precious stones. We are taking part into the Hanumanta Jyotish Navratri Bazaars 2020, that is from 17th of October till 25th of October. You all are requested to join us to meet and greet new people and to also to have exciting discount offers only at Hanumanta Jyotish Navratri Bazaar. Thank you so much.
Hi friends, I'm Veenu Mehta from Face Place Beauty Salon. We are providing world-class beauty services from last 16 years in beauty, hair and makeup. I'm participating in Hanumanta Jyotish Navratri Bazaar 2020. Please come and join us and get exciting and very good deals this Navratra. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Dipali Gupta. My brand name is Artsy Craft. I am a crafter and I make handmade gifts for every occasion. We are coming to Navratri Bazaar that is organized by Hanumanta Jyotish. Thank you.
Hi guys, I'm Ekta Agarwal from Cake Anthem. I bake dry cakes, cupcakes, cookies, donuts. I am participating in Navratri Bazaar organized by Hanumanta Jyotish. I would like you guys to be a part of it and get beautiful offers. Thank you so much.
Hi guys, myself Shruti Bansal from the Cocoa Heaven. I deal with fresh homemade chocolates and bed linens. You can now get your chocolates customized according to your own taste. I am participating in Hanumanta Jyotish Navratri Bazaar to give you many exclusive deals. So let's all meet there. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Shilpa. My brand name is Home Kriti and we deals in home furnishings and decoration items, and we are participating in Hanumanta Jyotish Navratri Bazaar 2020 and coming up with the exclusive range and the exclusive offers only for you. So stay tuned. Thank you.
Hello friends, this is Karishma Gupta from Sakar Creations. We are participating in the Hanumanta Jyotish Online Navratri Bazaar 2020, and guess what? We are going to showcase the best of our outfits this Navratri with the best offers possible. So stay tuned. Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Rachna Shah, branding One Stop. Let One Stop take care of all your shopping needs for herbal and paraben-free beauty products, women's clothing and cozy innerwears, kids nightwear and home decor. I have participated in Hanumanta Jyotish Navratri Bazaar 2020. So here I invite each one of you to join this festival to explore best offers on all the products. Thank you. Keep shopping online. Stay home safe. Bye-bye.
Hi friends, my name is Gurinder Guller. Brand name is Mims Creation, the traditional wear. I am participating in Hanumanta Navratri Bazaar 2020. So join us for this exciting bazaar to explore new opportunities, meet new people and get best of the offers. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Babita Verma and my brand name is VDS Spices. VDS Spices is a leading brand of Kerala spices where you can get all type of spices along with the green tea in natural flavors but different flavors and roasted seeds. So I am going to participate in Hanumanta Jyotish Navratri Bazaar, which lasts from 17 October to 25th October. So join us for the bestest offer. All the best. Meet you soon.
Hi friends, my name is Shalini Kumar. My brand name is Shape and Shine by Shalini. Shape and Shine has 3 verticals: diet clinic, salon on wheels and herbal handmade products. I am participating in Hanumanta Jyotish Navratri Bazaar 2020. So join us for this exciting bazaar to explore new opportunities, meet new people and get best of the offers. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Rupa Gupta, founder of Rupeda. Rupeda is a clean beauty brand. All products are organic and customized products. Here I am inviting you all for Hanumanta Navratri Bazaar. This is an online bazaar. Here you will get a great platform to avail good discount and get good offers. So guys, stay tuned and enjoy this Navratri festival with this Navratri online bazaar. Thank you.
Hi, I am Pooja Malhotra, CEO and founder of Divas Sujan. Divas Sujan is a travel company which specializes in women-only trips, and also we specializes in Jammu and Kashmir holidays packages. So since we specializes in Jammu and Kashmir packages, we also bring you.
Hello everyone, I am Rima Grover from Kitchen Quest brand. We specialize in homemade spices, healthy flours. We have dry fruits and all the organic and organic grocery food items. Our shop is located in Global Far Mall, Palam Vihar, and I want to thank Hanumanta Jyotish Festive Bazaar for creating the platform for all the women to showcase their products for the festive season. So stay tuned guys, and all the best to all the participants. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Kanika Gupta. I own the brands Dazzle Up and Asha Decor.
First of all, I would like to thank Hanumanta Bazaar for giving me this opportunity to showcase my products. Dazzle Up deals in fine jewelry, and Asha Decor takes care of all your decoration needs, be it furnishing, decorative items,